Hi, Walter. Schaarschmidt here. Just wanted to talk to you quick today about website design and making websites. Some of my business partners asked me how do I make a website real quickly, and I showed them some of my hidden secrets. Basically, I choose BlueVoda just for the reason why it says build your own website in 30 minutes or less. Matter of fact, I can probably build one under 10 minutes just to show you what I'm talking about. What I also like about BlueVoda, which is a key thing for me, is it requires no HTML web design knowledge. And that means to me, you basically drag and copy and drop what you want to do, and that's the kind of designing I want. So I'm going to go back here and open up my BlueVoda program, and you hit new, and here comes your new screen. Right click on it, go to page properties, and we'll call this a capture page, just so we can call it something for now. Illustration. We're going to keep a nice width, but we're going to add some length to it, so we have enough length to work with. Make it extra big, make the font like 14, center in the page. What I like about it, you can pick a whole bunch of colors, so we can do the background, maybe a nice color, would that red be a nice fire red? Ooh, no, not exactly. But we can probably put a nice gray in there just for simplicity. And then what we want to do also is, add some things into it. What I like about it too here is like working on word processors, like the HTML code if you want to put it in, or whether you want to put in images, image maps, shapes, text, links, marquee, whatever. So let's put a shape in for the argument. Move it around. Come across to 700 and 100. As you can see up here is within the design art. Also, if you look here on the bottom, the X shows where you start on the horizontal, and the Y is the width. A lot of times I know it's 600 wide from 700, so if I want exactly 600, I make this one, tweak it back one, and then I can just drag it down to make sure my web page fits in here. There again, you can just lock into place, so it's not going to be jiggling and moving around as you work on it. A nice little feature. Let's get the color, nice uniform look. So we just go in here, do solid, maybe do like a nice white color. That way we have something nice right on. And get ready. Usually when I go out and I write a web page, I'm not very that copy write skills that most people may have. So what I tell a lot of my newbie people is simply go out and look at your big competitors, like the Mike Dillards of the world, the Jonathan Budds, or the Ann Siegs. Go to their web pages and see if you can come up with some nice titles and copy and paste them onto a nice Word document. It doesn't mean I copy word for word. I'm just saying, you put some words down, and then I, make it to fit my own design and my own taste, and that way I know what I can write rather than just simply banging my head to come with an inspiration on the wall. So what I do is I just take them and copy them, for example, and go up here and add some text and expand the text so it fits on the page nicely. And go in here, right click, paste, and there you go. Like I said, you want to make it to the size it's it's a title, so you want to make it a little bigger than most. And you can also say, hey, let's get some nice, just me want to put in here. 98% of all is fail, and you want to kind of highlight it with a different color. That, and open it up, and maybe also kind of bold the whole thing, and maybe center it. That way it looks nice in here, and get eye appealing, catch it, for example. We can move it on the page so it fits nice in here. Make the front of the page nice and all. Next thing I like to do is add a video. Typically I use a YouTube video because that usually prompts people to opt into my page. But you can use any other text form or as much text as you like. I just want to show you different options here. So I go to my HTML box and bring it onto the page by dragging it around everywhere I want. Let's move this down a little bit. And I noticed with HTML, I need to know the website size of a box. So when I go to my YouTube and I look real quick, and it's 445 by 364. Here we go. We go back here and we go 445. And if you look in the bottom right hand corner under width, you'll see 445 come up there we go. And then 365 on the bottom. So just take it and look down here. Now we're getting past 3, back up 65. There you have a nice properly fitted box, and you just can move it any way you like by dragging it around. Put it in here. Now let's do the same thing again and put another statement on the bottom. You use some text again, and just take it. Maybe give it benefits to do that. So go back to our Word document here real quick, and copy it and go back to BlueVoda and paste. And again, what I like to do is just make the box fit. And we don't need a big capture page. 14 will be about the appropriate size. And if anything, wanna stretch out a little bit, make it fit and all. And maybe do this nice feature that I've seen. If you do an image, you go back and do my image list, for example. And there's lots of things I can see what they are. Do some thumbnails. Let's say I'm going to do all kinds of neat stuff here, don't we? Let's just do like a nice checkbox. Fine, and take that image and put it right here. The feature, benefit, I mean, you can put as many images, checkboxes as you like, but I'm just trying to get to the point here about what I'm doing. And finally, you want to add an opt-in box. So, basically take an opt-in box and put on the bottom, your HTML code. You also got to get enough room, so it's enough room in it, what have you. So to get back for HTML code, we'll do a YouTube video. So what we'll do is we'll come back up here on the web design and go to my YouTube video and see if we can get something going here by hitting the embed code, right clicking, copying it, and it should show border, which is fine. And then basically we just double click on it and double click on it and paste it in. And then the same thing holds true with you go for your HTML for your opt-in box to Aweber. You basically go back to your Aweber account which I have here real quick, and you log into your Aweber account, take one of your lists here, and go to web forms, and you want to get the HTML code here, and you want to get the raw code just like here. Right click on it, copy it, and double click on this, and left right click and paste, and there you go. Now just to show you that it works, we're going to preview it, and guess what, folks, we just got ourselves a capture page. Obviously you may not want to keep it this plain, but the idea is to show you how simple we can add, and the options that BlueVoda offers by having the opt-in, by having your words that you want to say, images, videos, and whatever you want to say about it. And that's what I kind of like about it, the simplicity I point out about it. What I also want to bring up is that to have BlueVoda, you have to get their hosting. So by going to their hosting, you notice it's $7.95 a month, which I find to be very affordable because they offer unlimited bandwidth and unlimited site, unlimited pages. So whether you have a blog to add on to your, or if you want to just add on pages unlimited, there you go. For like $7.95 a month, I think it's a deal. Because if you go, for example, to GoDaddy, you doubly pay $14 a month for unlimited website spaces, and why pay double if you can pay half for the same quality? And their website builder, you do need to know a little more than what I need to know on BlueVoda from experience. I can tell you that. So with that in mind, just wanted to let you know BlueVoda is got my vote of choice. If you like my video, please do me a favor, rate and comment the video. And please note, we do have a link on the bottom of the page to let you know if you're interested in getting this service. If not, you're welcome to go to my blog, and I also have a banner and ad space there for the same thing under BlueVoda. So once again, I'd like to thank you for listening to the video, and please rate and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye-bye.